So we are doing Horsetail Falls in Pony Falls. It is only 0.8 miles, so not even a mile. It's located in the Cascade Locks in the Columbia Gorge. So this is Horsetail Falls that you guys are looking at. So now we're going to head over to go see Ponytail Falls. So the viewpoint is 0.8 miles. Oh, so we can go see the upper Horsetail Falls, which is 0.4. And Wantana Trail is 1.3 miles. So there's definitely more trails if you want to do. That's a nice view. So far this hike has been nothing but uphill. For being such a short hike, it definitely takes your breath away. But ever since we started this hike, it's been nothing but uphill, right? Yeah, it has been. But it's good exercise. Okay. Continuing to go up. Got some more switchbacks coming up. There's a view of the Columbia Gorge. It's a good view of the Columbia Gorge. And then our trail is continuing to go that way. So far the trail evened out a little bit. Now it's all level, so we're not going incline. But I definitely hear a waterfalls, so we must be getting really close. Definitely hits an awesome view of the Columbia Gorge. So yes, this is Ponytail Falls. You can definitely go up underneath it and behind it, and you can go all the way up, but as you guys see, there's a gate right there. I'll zoom in. There's a gate right there. That normally the trail will continue to go up in that way. The rocks are very slick. This is awesome. Check this out. Feels like we're walking in a cave. But we can't go any further than this. So this is the end of our trail. So we did make it to Ponytail Falls, which is pretty cool. We got to see 2 waterfalls in one hike, which is the best part of this trail. We did want to continue on to this trail to go see the top of Horsetail Falls, but because the gate is closed and the trail's closed, we can't continue any further. See? So there's a big sign on there that says area closed, trail closed. I mean, yeah, you can go through there and still continue on to the trail, but I'm not going to, just for the fact that it's closed. This was a pretty good hike. If you guys ever want to come and check it out, this is located in the Columbia Gorge, and it's only less than a mile, so it's a very easy, doable hike, except for in the beginning, the hike was nothing but inclined, but eventually the trail does even out. So overall, it was a good day to hike. The sun's finally coming out. It was cloudy this morning. At first, I really didn't think the sun was going to come out, but it did. It's actually supposed to be 68 degrees today, but still feels like it's in the 50s, but I think it's going to warm up as the day goes by. But so far, it was a good day. I enjoyed this hike, and so now, oh yeah, it's 57 degrees, so yeah, it still has to warm up a bit. So right now we're just going to head back to the car and just see what the day holds. Okay, so we made it back to the car. So this is the end of Ponytail Falls and Horsetail Falls. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys on the next hiking vlog.